Dog, zip it.
Puppy!
Oh my gosh.
Maybe you should just go upstairs.
Okay.
This one on the right is the one for our heater.
Holy shit. Okay.
And it likes some muscling up. Now, last time it was the one on the right that blew. They showed me how to test it with my voltimeter, but I can't find my voltimeter.
Oh.
So, part of why the power is off. That is highly questionable. Look, some spare 2x4s.
Hmm.
Can you hold this end of the camera?
Yeah. The camera's not wanting to focus.
Probably not, no. Other than testing it with the voltimeter, I know no way to do this, right? So, back over here for a second, please. Thank you. In theory, if it's the same problem as last time, the furnace should come on pretty shortly. I'm not hearing the furnace tick on. I think this is the new fuse.
That was it.
Okay, so this fuse is still good. This fuse is toast.
Okay.
We were at 17744.
What does that say now? Because the camera's not picking it up.
178.215.
Yeah.
Halfway between 1 and 2 there.
Cool.